How to find email address settings on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser, and once you're here click on your profile in the top corner, and then click this one, account security. And here we'll find the email address. Now you can change it, just click this pin here, and now just type here your password and type any email you want here, and then click save, and that's it. It's easy. Then just go back, and I hope that can help you. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.